Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset and keep files in Windows 10. Resetting your PC can help resolve various issues and give your system a fresh start while still keeping your important files intact. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app by pressing the Start button and selecting the Settings gear icon. Step 2. From the list of categories, choose Update and Security. Step 3. In the left pane, navigate to Recovery. Step 4. Start the reset process by clicking or tapping on the Get Started button under the Reset This PC heading at the top. Step 5. Select the option to Keep My Files. This ensures that your personal files and data will be preserved during the reset. Step 6. Wait for the next part to load, which should take less than 30 seconds. Step 7. If you've decided to remove everything, you can select whether to perform a secure erase of your files. Step 8. If you receive a warning that you recently upgraded to Windows 10 and won't be able to roll back to the previous operating system, click or tap Next to proceed. Step 9. Wait for the next part to load, which typically takes less than a minute. Step 10. Read the overview and press Reset when you're ready to proceed. Windows will prepare to reset your device, and you'll be taken to a blue screen. Step 11. When the Choose an Option screen appears, select Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully reset your Windows 10 PC while keeping your files intact. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of a refreshed Windows 10 system while preserving your important files.